Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the iPhone and watch. On your iPhone, open Watch and choose Setup for a family member. This is where you start the pairing flow rather than pairing to your own account. Make sure the watch is unpaired, charged at least 50%, and nearby. Once done, keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled so the devices communicate. Enabling location services helps set safety features and time zones correctly. You now create or select a child Apple ID via family sharing. This underpins the watch account and parental controls. During setup, pick essential settings, school time for focused hours, activity and app limits to manage usage, and trusted SOS contacts for emergencies. Make sure you install needed apps like Messages and Maps and set a passcode on the watch for privacy. Once configured, the watch syncs settings and content to match the child's restrictions and parental preferences. You finish by confirming the watch shows as paired in the Watch app and, if needed, activating a cellular plan. This ensures calls and messages work independently. Test key functions. Make a call, send a message, trigger emergency SOS briefly, and check location sharing. If something goes wrong, restart both devices and retry pairing. If that fails, unpair and reset the watch to factory settings and run the family setup again. Make sure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.